Bananas are extremely healthy and delicious. They contain several essential nutrients and provide health benefits for digestion, heart health, and weight loss. They are also a highly convenient snack, so here we go. Bananas are among the world's most popular food. It may vary in color, size, and shape. The most common type is Cavendish. Banana contains a fair amount of fibers as well as several antioxidants like potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, carbs, fibers, and proteins. Each banana has only about 105 calories and it holds very little protein and almost no fat. Bananas are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that gives the flesh its spongy structural form. Unripe banana contain resistant starch, which act like soluble fibers and escapes digestion. Both pectin and resistant starch may moderate blood sugar level after meals, reducing appetite by slowing the emptying your stomach. Dietary fibers has been linked to many health benefits, including improved digestion. A medium-sized banana has about 3 grams of fibers. Banana contains two main types of fibers, pectin and resistant starch. It escapes digestion and ends up in your large intestine where it becomes food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Banana have several attributes that should make them a weight loss friendly food. For starters, banana have relatively few calories. An average banana has just over 100 calories. Eating banana helps to weight loss. Potassium is a mineral that is essential for the heart health, especially blood pressure control. Bananas are a great dietary source of potassium. A potassium-rich diet can help lower blood pressure level, and people who eat plenty of potassium have up to a 27% lower risk of heart disease. Fruits and vegetables are excellent source of dietary antioxidants, and banana are no exception. They contain several types of antioxidants, including dopamine, catechins. These antioxidants are linked to many health benefits, such as reduced risk of heart disease and digestive illness. Insulin resistance is a major risk factor for many of the world's most serious problems, including type 2 diabetes. About 15 to 13 grams of resistant starch per day may improve your insulin sensitivity by 33 to 50% in 4 weeks. Unripened banana have more resistant starch and help to improve insulin sensitivity. Potassium is essential for blood pressure control and healthy kidney function. Banana may especially beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Those who eat 2 to 3 times per week were less likely to develop kidney diseases. Bananas are often referred to as the perfect food for athletes, largely due to their mineral content and easily digestive carbs. Eating banana may help reduce exercise-related muscle cramps and soreness, which affect up to 95% of general population. Resistant starch is a type of indigestible crab found in the unripe bananas and other foods which function like soluble fibers in your body. The greener the banana, the higher the resistant starch content. The yellow unripened banana contain lower amounts of resistant starch. For more videos like this, please subscribe the channel Healthy Hacks, and if you like this video then hit the like button and share a comment with us.